Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how to use my new keychains. If you want a keychain like this, it is $55. Without the bling pepper spray, it is $45. So while I have some in, guys, go ahead and get yours. I have a limit supplies right now because I just want to see how these will sell, but after that I'm definitely going to get more in. So the first thing I want to show you that come on my keychain, and like I said, I just feel like every woman needs one of these, especially what type of world that we living in. I feel like we all should be protected, and I just feel like this is really a good thing that you can bring with you. So the first thing on here, guys, we have a pom-pom shaped out of a heart. We have a bottle opener. We have a door and a touch screen. So right with this part, you can touch the screen, or while you're at the bank, instead of you having to touch it with your fingers because there's so many germs, you could just use this part, and you will use this part right here to open up the door, and you just pull the door open. Right here, you have a window breaker. So what you would do is just push this against the window, and it will break. Just this part will push in and it'll shatter the window. This is like if you got into an accident or you need to jump out the car, if you got kidnapped or anything, you'll be able to bust the window and get out. Say that you got stuck in a car, you got into an accident and you can't get off your seatbelt. This part right here, you'll remove this part and you will cut your way and cut the seatbelt. That'll help you get out the car. All right. The next thing we have is a Kubotan. For those who don't know what a Kubotan is, you can use this as a weapon, or somebody trying to attack you. You can shank them up, punch them in the eye, you can stab them in the eye, whatever you want to do. All right. The next thing we got, this is a flashlight. So guys, if you get one of these, this is also an alarm. So it's a flashlight. This right here is just for decoration. It doesn't do anything. So don't be like, Brittany, it don't work. Because if you press this, it's not going to work. If you want it to work, you have to press this button right here, and then you got a flashlight. If you disconnect this part right here, it's going to be a loud noise. A loud noise that's going to sound off. And it's going to draw a lot of attention to you if somebody's trying to get you. So I'm going to just sound it off for 1 second just so you can hear it. So you can see how loud that is. That is very loud. Right here, you have your mace. Everybody know how to use mace, hopefully. All you got to do is turn it to the side. Spray them in the eyes. And right here, you got a coin purse, so you can put your pills, lip gloss, some change, a little cash, everything that you want to put in there. And right here, this is the wristlet. And while you out, you could just put it around your arm. And you could just hold your pepper spray in your hand, or whatever you might want to hold in your hand while you're walking. So guys, if you're interested in this, just go ahead and inbox for me, and I'll be gladly happy to answer some questions. And also right here, I almost forgot, we actually have a key. So it looks like a key, but it's not really a key. When you open this up, let me be careful. Let me get it open. There we go. When you open this up, it's a little knife. So you gotta shank somebody, you can shank them up. Shank them up, you know what I'm saying? But don't say I told y'all to do that. Use at your own risk. I'm just a seller. But like I said, that is a good deal for what all you get. And for $55, it can possibly save your life. So what are you waiting for? Bye.